Alright guys, so this is going to be a giveaway on this hair. This is my Longqi hair that I reviewed for you guys. Then did an update video. So this is the hair. I'm going to be winning this exact same hair. So let me just throw up a bunch of words on the screen. I'm just going to come and introduce this giveaway real quick for you guys. So I will definitely have the instructions of the giveaway linked in the description bar below, as well as have it written out in the video for you guys. So I know most of you watch me on mobile, so you can screenshot it and have it always in the memory. Now this giveaway will not last long. We'll be only going for a week. I think it's 5 days. So you need to get on this if you want to win this hair. But I know you guys, I know some weddings are coming up, graduation, you know, you got that special date or whatever. You know, you can do this, you can try and win this hair. And don't think, oh, I never win anything, so I'm not going to enter. To be honest, that's exactly my mindset. But nothing tried, nothing done, and it doesn't cost you anything. They're not asking you to pay something and then you win. You just literally do what you have to do for free and win some hair for free. You know what I mean? So yeah, so that's it for this little intro, and please stay tuned to the instructions on how to win my not my personal, but this Longqi hair. Alright, so the giveaway rules are as follows. You're going to follow Longqi Hair on YouTube, follow them on their Instagram, as well as like their Facebook page. All of those will be linked in the description bar below, and of course you must be a subscriber of my channel. So how to enter the giveaway is you click the link in the description bar that leads you to the Longqi Hair store, and when you get there you choose the hair that you want and you leave a comment, and the comment should be something like this is the hair that I want, I love the texture, and you're going to leave your IG handle and your email address as well for them to contact you if you win. So we're going to have we're going to have two winners, a first place winner and a second place winner. The winner will be chosen randomly by the comments that you leave, and the winner will be announced on Longqi's official channel. Alright, so just it will be open, it will be on their channel. I will not be announcing it, they will be announcing it. So this giveaway is only for the USA, UK or France, but for all my Jamaican girls, remember you can still enter. All I have to do is just leave your ship me third-party shipping address, so you can still enter. Even though you live in Jamaica, you can definitely still enter. Even if you live across the world and you don't have like a your USA, UK or France name wasn't called or whatever for this giveaway, but if you have a USA third-party shipping, like I have a USA third-party shipping, but I don't live in the US, so you can still enter. So I would still enter. If I wasn't affiliated with them, I would definitely still enter and use my ship me address, is what I'm saying, even though I live in Jamaica. This will only last for 4 days. It starts today and it ends on the 4th day, so you have to move really quickly on this. And yeah, that's it. So what you'll be winning will also be linked in the description bar below, and everything I said will be in the description bar below for you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really hope one of you guys win this. This is really good hair. I love it so much. The only thing is the closure for me, it's not really, so you have for curly hairs, I realize you have to kind of baby the closure a little bit, but other than that I think it's golden. So that's it for this little video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.
God bless. My boy DJ. I mean, I said I want to straight out of street out of studio. Don't know the thing though. I want to slowly but surely. Lord will come through it. You don't know the thing though. I can't tell them something then. Slowly but surely. Right, I know what me feel for. I know reefer. Scripture what they pan the leaf, ya make devil leave ya. God a block a shot a keeper in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza after the sweeter. Now I'm the knife in me Jesus, cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, come and a preacher. Me no follow back and neither come.